Juvia's Place had a mystery box offering this year. If you want to see what I ended up getting, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am interested in telling you a little bit about my experience with Juvia's Place. Like I said in the teaser, it was a mystery box offering. Now they have done mystery box offerings before. I have participated. Oh, hang on, I think it might have been Colored Raine that I participated in. I was blown away by what Colored Raine did, and I will put that right there for you. The mystery boxes were a lot more than the cost of the boxes that I'm going to show you, or the box that I'm going to show you here. But I have so far done mystery boxes with Colored Raine, Urban Decay, and now Juvia's Place. So Juvia's Place, what I did, when I did Colored Raine, I think I ordered 3 mystery boxes, Urban Decay 5 mystery boxes, and then now this one, Juvia's Place, 3 mystery boxes. This box is the equivalent of 1 mystery box because I have already gifted some items to 2 friends of mine. And yeah, let me just get into it as far as what was in each one. I'm going to give you a spoiler. I was kind of expecting it, which is why I only bought 3, because I knew how I would divide it, is that I got 3 of everything I'm going to show you. So my friend Steph and my friend Lise have received the other 2 sets of the products are identical to what I'm going to show you. And that was my fallback. I thought, hey, I can give Lise and I can give Steph some nice products that I'm getting at a fraction of the price, because each mystery box was $15 US. So what you're going to see me show is what I got essentially for $15 US. And as I'm showing you the products, I will put what the retail price on Juvia's Place site is for each one of these products. First off is this Festival palette by the company, obviously. I will not open up this box. I will show you my own palette that I've already used so that I'm not damaging or doing anything to this one, because it's definitely headed someone's way. So here is my palette, just so that you can see it. This is what it looks like. And it's a very nice palette. I am very much in love with that red. And this color is great for a smoky eye. It's beautiful. If you want to add just a little bit of va-va-voom to the smoky eye, it's a beautiful palette. I think I'm glad it's in my collection, and I'm so happy to be able to gift it as well. Now the remainder of the products are products that I don't have in my collection, and I'm very happy to be adding. In this case, I've got Doo-Doo, which is a Juvia's Place matte liquid lipstick. So this is what it looks like in the package that has not been opened yet. So I'm really revealing these to myself, except for the palette, which I told you I already had. This is a discovery for me because I have not played or looked at these products until I got on camera with you. The palette obviously was something I was familiar with, but these other ones I'm not. Okay, so I got this lipstick out of its packaging, and let's just do a swatch of it. So doe foot, and oh, it is black. Look at that. If you want to see me do a look with this lip product and the Festival palette, let me know. It might be a lot of fun. Okay, and then there is this, what's it called? Pencil liner. That goes with. I mean, it's a good set of products to go together. I don't have a problem with that. So this is what the pencil looks like. I think it's just one of those, yeah, just one of those regular eyeliner pencils. Let's just do a swatch of that. Oh, it's pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Okay, there we go. Look at how bright that is. Lower waterline, this would be really pretty. Okay, nice. And it goes up and down. It's retractable. That's good. Okay. I've never had a Juvia's Place liner before, so I'm really happy with that. And the Heroin Glow 2 is a highlighter. And usually the highlighters have a ton of product in them. A ton. So here it is, and it has how much in here? 4 grams. Okay, it's less than I thought it was going to be. Okay, but that's fine. It's going to last me forever. Oh yeah, okay, it's not, I thought it was a loose highlighter, and it's not. That is very pretty. It makes me think of Becca? Not Becca. Yeah, I thought there was a Becca quad that came out that had this kind of a look to the highlighters. Just going to swatch it for you. It's kind of a peachy color. Hope you can see it on my skin tone here. Can you? I hope you can. There we go. I think you can see it better now. That is quite pretty. Oh, yeah, Becca and it was that collab. Hang on. This is what I'm talking about. This palette. Becca and Malika? I always have so much, and I just gouged it. I always have so much trouble opening this package. It's ridiculous. Look at it. Don't they look the same? Yeah, I mean it's face palettes, but the highlighter. Just look at it. Oh no, it's different from any of those 4. But yeah, doesn't the look of it look similar? And yeah, and just to show you one last time, yeah, they are very, very similar as far as the pressing of them. And once again, Heroin Glow 2, and it is a very pretty highlighter. I will definitely use it, and it looks like it's quite complementary to my skin tone, so I am very happy with that. So for $15 US, I got a palette, 9-pan palette with very generous pan sizes, a highlighter, 4-gram highlighter, which is a very decent size, a liquid lipstick that is black but would go really well with the Festival palette, and a blue eyeliner. So I think it's 4 products for $15 US. That's less than $4 per product. I'm really, really happy. I mean, I would have paid $4 for this. I would definitely have paid $4 for this. No question for the highlighter and the palette. So yeah, I think that was a score. And I'm super, super, super happy to have been able to give the set to Lise and to Steph as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased. And basically what I'm going to say is, if or when Juvia's Place does another mystery box, just as is the case for me for Colored Raine, I will definitely participate again, because the value was terrific, regardless of whether or not I got to pick what was in the box. So that's it. Let me know what you think of what I received in the mystery box from Juvia's Place. I would love to hear. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.